3 signs your lungs are filled with mucus. Number 1, you're constantly coughing up phlegm. Number 2, you sound like a tractor when you breathe in. Number 3, you're having trouble sleeping. So how do you fix this? Right here is an ancient natural remedy. Cordyceps, also known as Ophiocordyceps sinensis. For centuries, it's been celebrated as a natural lung detoxifier. Cordyceps helps melt the bonds between your lungs and your mucus, letting you cough out months of toxic mucus buildup. Just a small amount every day for a week helps with the removal of damaged cells from the smoke and air pollution you inhale. Instead of eating them raw, I like eating these gummies as they contain 10 of the most powerful adaptogenic mushrooms, including cordyceps. Get yours from the link in my bio.